is Amit Pabari, founder and managing director of CR Forex. Wishing you all a very happy new year. While we were celebrating Diwali, we have got a lot of queries from our clients and viewers that where do you see all the major currencies in Samvat 2078. So in today's presentation, we'll be discussing the same. So in the first part of the presentation, we'll be covering the outlook of USD-INR pair for the coming year, and in the second part of the presentation, we'll be covering outlook on Euro, USD, Euro-INR, GBP USD and GBP-INR. So let us start with the first part of the presentation, outlook on USD-INR. USD-INR का जो outlook है, it is dependent on three important things. First is trade deficit. Second, what is the view on dollar index? Third, and the most important aspect is what is the inflow coming in and what is RBI stance on the inflow. So these are the three important parameters which will determine the view for USD-INR pair. India's average trade deficit before the pandemic was close to 13 to 15 billion per month. In last 2 months, our trade deficit has gone to a level of 20 billion per month. The trade deficit has increased above the pre-pandemic level. There are two main reasons for the same. First, the crude oil prices has been moving higher and higher day by day, and we expect the crude oil price to continue to rise in the coming months. Second, as Indian economy has fully opened up, the demand has shoot up, and because of that, we are going to import the smallest of the pin to biggest of the car. So trade deficit जो है, it is one of the biggest concern for Indian Rupee at this point of time, and we expect that it will move higher and higher day by day. The second important point is dollar index. Dollar index, which measures the strength of dollar with respect to other currencies. Dollar will be stronger in the coming year. Dollar index is expected to move 100 because of super fundamentals of USA, and we have been discussing that in previous video also, in our webinar also. So dollar index is gonna move higher, and if you see the chart, there is a positive correlation between dollar index and dollar rupee pair. If dollar index will move towards 100 or higher than that level, definitely it will add pressure to dollar rupee pair. The third important aspect is inflows and RBI stance. We expect inflows to be moderate in the coming year as the Fed has already started its tapering process. And whatever inflows will come, if you see the chart, in last 1 year, there were inflows worth 39 billion. And see how much RBI have bought. RBI have bought close to $62 billion. It is very clear that RBI will continue to buy dollars from the market. There are two fundamental reasons for the same. Pehla hai, if they will not buy, then rupee will get stronger. If rupee gets stronger, then our import will become more competitive and our export will become uncompetitive. That is one of the reasons why RBI will not allow rupee to appreciate. Second reason hai, last year they have closed the book close to 73.20. If rupee closes this March below 73.20, then it will be difficult for RBI to gain on Forex. So if rupee closes below 73.20, RBI will not make money in Forex. If RBI will not make money in Forex, then the government will get lesser dividend. That is also a less likely cases. So RBI will avoid rupee to get stronger because of these two reasons. So in Samvat 2078, the main thing is that the appreciation in the dollar rupee pair is limited towards 73.50 to 73.80. We are not expecting the pair to go beyond that. Any dips towards 73.50 to 73.80 levels should be taken as an opportunity to buy imports for a longer period of time. On the upside, post April 2022, we are expecting the pair to break a key resistance level of 75.5 level, and it should move towards 76.90 to 77 level post April 2022. So now let us move to the second part of the presentation, that what is the outlook on crosses. If you want to know in detail the outlook on crosses, you can read our latest CNBC report, History in the Making, Dollar Index at 100. I am sharing the link in the comment box. You can refer that. To summarize the report, we can say that our initial target for Euro USD pair is towards 1.12 level. If that is broken, it can move towards 1.10 level. For Euro INR, we are expecting the pair to move towards 82 level. Any upticks in Euro USD and Euro INR pair should be taken as an opportunity to sell. For GBP USD, our initial target is 1.32 level. If that is broken, the pair will move towards 1.29 level. For GBP INR, the target is close to 94 to 95 levels. On any upticks, GBP USD and GBP INR should be just sell. Take it as an opportunity to sell both the currencies, Euro INR, GBP INR, Euro USD and GBP USD. With this, I will end my today's presentation. Jai Hind, Namaskar, फिर मिलेंगे. Thank you.